Why are all of these wires different colors? And how come this stuff is locked up at Home Depot? Well, it's because they are copper and copper is expensive. But most people don't know, what do these colors and these numbers actually mean? 12-2, 10-3, 14-3. What does this stuff mean? Quick thing, Romex isn't actually the name of the wire, it's just a brand, just like Q-tip or Sharpie or Band-Aid. What's a Band-Aid really called? Adhesive bandage. You go to Home Depot and Lowe's, you're going to see other brand names that are not Romex. The real name is NM cable, which stands for non-metallic, but obviously it's talking about the outer plastic part because the inside is copper, it's metal. Now the first number is the wire size, and the second number is how many wires are in the cable. But this is important, but minus the ground. That's very important. So 12-2 actually has 3 wires, a hot, a neutral, and a ground. The ground just does not count in the name. Now 12-3 has 4 wires, 2 hots, a neutral, and a ground. You'll see 12-3 with things like 3-way switches. Sometimes a long hallway will have a light switch on both sides. Then we would use 12-3, or staircases. Sometimes you have a light and a light switch on the top and the bottom of the staircase. We'd use 12-3 there. Now the first number, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, that's the wire size. Now here's the key. The smaller the number, the thicker the wire. Think of it like shotguns, like a 12 gauge is more powerful than a 20 gauge. And most homes run on 14 and 12 gauge wire, but bigger appliances like dryers, hot tubs, so they're gonna use thicker wire like 10, 8, or even 6. But this is the important part. Your wire size has to match your breaker size. If those don't match, you're asking for problems. And this is where the colors come in. They are not random. White is typically 14 gauge, that's for 15 amp circuits. Yellow is 12 gauge, the most common, 20 amp circuits. Orange is 10 gauge, 30 amp circuits. And you also might see pink wire, that wasn't around back in the day. That's usually 10-3 with 2 hots. So when you're looking at these in the store, you're not just picking a color, you're picking the capacity and the setup of the wire. But always check the wire itself. This right here is 12-2 and it's white. My house is from the 50s and I'm rewiring it here and there. You do not need to rewire your house all at once. But I've got old wires in here. I've got every wire in here at this point, so I've really got to pay attention. What we are talking about is for modern color standards. And this is where it really matters. 15 amp breaker, 14 gauge wire. Doesn't matter if it's 14-3 or 14-2. 20 amp breaker, 12 gauge wire. Same rules apply. It doesn't matter if it's 12-2 or 12-3. And if you mismatch these, you can overload the wire without tripping the breaker. And if you do have an older house like mine, you might run into some cloth wiring, sometimes no ground, but you can tie into newer wire. Sometimes you have to, but you've got to do it properly. Junction box, proper connectors, everything secured. One more thing, even though copper is expensive, I made this mistake once. I saved a bunch of wire from a demo, stripped all of the copper thinking I was gonna make like 500 bucks from the job. It barely filled up my gas tank. It was not worth it at all, I promise. If I were to do it all over again, I would just take the old Romex. If the sheathing was good on it, I would just reuse it for other jobs. And one last tip, when you are running Romex, you're probably gonna need more than you think in your mind. You think about it like bird's eye view, and this room's only 20 feet apart, so I only need 25 feet of Romex. It goes fast. And it's probably gonna be a lot cheaper on Amazon. Being long is never a problem. Being short is a big headache. And if it's too long, I just cut off the Romex and I make little pigtails with it. Once you understand the numbers, the colors, and the breakers, this stuff gets not only a lot less confusing, but pretty fun. Electricity is kind of a hobby of mine. And obviously I'm a whole lot safer. If you made it to the end of this video, you just made me 3 cents. You're a true barrage. Have a good weekend.